Next problem. During heat treatment, cylindrical pieces of 25 mm dia, 30 mm height and 30 degrees Celsius are placed in a furnace at 750 degrees Celsius with convection heat transfer coefficient 80 watt per meter square Kelvin at the surface. Calculate the time required to heat the pieces to 800 degrees Celsius. What will be the shortfall in temperature if the pieces are taken out from the furnace after 280 seconds? Assume the following property values. Property values are given. Now here the problem is the cylindrical shaped specimens at an initial temperature of 30 degrees Celsius, it is kept in an environment of 750 degrees Celsius. We have to change the temperature of the specimens from 30 degrees Celsius to 600 degrees Celsius in a time tau. The heat transfer coefficient between the specimen and the environment is given as 80 watt per meter square Kelvin. We have to calculate the time tau required to make this temperature change. All the geometry of the cylinder is given. So first we have to check whether the lumped system analysis is applicable or not. In order to check whether the lumped system analysis is applicable or not, first we have to calculate the Biot number. Biot number Bi equal to H into LC divided by K, where characteristic length LC equal to V divided by the surface area. V is the volume of the cylinder. Volume of the cylinder we know V equal to pi r square h, provided h is the height. So volume is not. Surface area equal to the curved surface area that is 2 pi r h plus the top face area which is equivalent to pi r square and the bottom face area which is also equal to pi r square. So the total surface area equal to 2 pi r h plus pi r square plus pi r square. So AS equal to 2 pi r h plus 2 pi r square. Characteristic length equal to V divided by AS. Substitute here the characteristic length, you can see 4.41 into 10 to the power of minus 3 meters. Biot number equal to H, this is H into characteristic length divided by K. So Bi equal to 0.0082. Since Bi less than 0.1, the lumped system analysis is applicable. Once the lumped system analysis is applicable, we have to calculate the Fourier number also, because the governing equation contains Biot number as well as the Fourier number. Fourier number Fo equal to alpha into tau divided by square of the characteristic length. Alpha equal to K divided by rho into C. Since all the data are given, Fo, Fourier number, which is equal to, after substitution it simplifies to Fourier number equal to 0.517 tau. Now the governing equation is T minus T infinity divided by Ti minus T infinity equal to e to the power of minus Bi into Fourier number. This you can take directly from the data book. Substitute in the governing equation, you will be getting this expression. So solving this expression as discussed in the previous problem, you will be getting tau equal to 371 seconds. So this is the answer for the first part. The second part of the problem is if the body is kept in the furnace for 280 seconds only, and after 280 seconds if it is taken from the furnace, what will be the temperature? So here you have to calculate the temperature after a time tau. The initial temperature of the body, it remains the same, 30 degrees Celsius. sorry, initial temperature is 30 degrees Celsius. The T infinity, the environment temperature, that also remains the same. The environment temperature remains as 750 degrees Celsius. So you have to calculate the temperature of the specimen after a time 280 seconds. After a time 280 seconds, what is the temperature of the body? So tau is equal to 280 seconds. Tau equal to 280 seconds. So substituting in this expression, the Biot number, it remains the same. Fourier number equal to 0.517 into tau. Tau is given as 280 seconds. Fourier number FO equal to alpha into tau divided by LC square. Alpha and LC square remains the same. Only the difference is in tau. So Fourier number equal to 0.517 into tau. Tau equal to 280. So you can calculate Fourier number. You know the Biot number. In this expression, only unknown is the temperature T. So you substitute in this expression, solve for T, you will be getting T equal to 563 degrees Celsius. So the shortfall in temperature you can calculate, because 750 minus 563, that is the shortfall in temperature.